action is earlier action. So earlier action is part perfect tense. Then the latter action will be part simple. The part action is part perfect tense and the last action will be part simple tense. If two actions happen in the part first action or last action, so the earlier action will be part perfect tense. Then the latter action, very good, last action is part simple. For example, when I reach the station, the train had already left. When I reach the station, the latter action, the second action, for the train had left, the train had already left. Second, shorter action. Longer action. Shorter action will be part simple tense. Longer action will be part progressive or continuous tense. If two actions are happening now or simultaneously or at the same time, there is no longer action. Longer action. The fact action will be part. If the fact action is part progressive. Then the last action, longer action, the last action will be part progressive. If the two actions happening simultaneously or at the same time, if the first action is part progressive, then the second action or last action will be part progressive. If the longer action, two actions happening simultaneously. Yes, sir. Your shorter action. Longer earlier action is earlier action. So earlier action is part perfect tense. Then the latter action will be part simple. If the first action is part perfect tense, then the last action will be part simple tense. Like that. Shorter action. Shorter action. Shorter action will be part simple. Then another shorter action, the rapid action. Rapid action. Shorter action will be part simple tense.
But which action simultaneously?
Simultaneously means at the same time. Two actions are happening now or going on in the past, or happening now or till the moment or the time of meeting. What is past progressive?